Beneath the surface of the earth, hidden from our eyes, lies a world as complex and bustling as any human city. This is the realm of the ants. Ant colonies are often called nature's supercities, and for good reason. A single colony can consist of hundreds of thousands, even millions of individuals, all working together with astonishing precision. Unlike us, they don't need mayors, presidents, or endless meetings. Their society runs smoothly through instinct, communication, and relentless teamwork. At the very center of this underground empire lives the queen. She is the heart of the colony, the mother of them all. Her sole purpose is to reproduce, laying thousands of eggs to ensure the survival and growth of her society. While she rarely leaves her royal chamber, her influence extends through every tunnel and chamber of the nest. Without her, the colony cannot exist. Surrounding her are the workers, countless small bodies, endlessly active. Workers dig the tunnels, expand the chambers, gather food, and even care for the young. Imagine an entire city being cleaned, expanded, and supplied by citizens who never stop working. That's the daily reality of an ant colony. But no city survives without defense. For ants, the soldiers stand guard. Larger, stronger, and armed with powerful jaws, they protect the colony from invaders, whether it's rival ants, hungry predators, or even creatures thousands of times their size. To a soldier ant, every threat is an enemy at the gates. What makes this underground society so remarkable isn't just its structure, but its communication. Ants don't speak or use technology. Instead, they rely on chemical signals called pheromones. With a single trail of scent, they can lead their sisters to food, warn of danger, or even guide an army into battle. To us, it's invisible, but to them, it's a living network, more efficient than our own communication systems. Step inside one of these colonies, and you'll find an architectural masterpiece. Tunnels stretch like streets. Chambers serve as nurseries, food storage, and even farming zones. Some species cultivate fungus underground, growing their own food like miniature farmers. Others herd tiny insects, like aphids, treating them as livestock for their sweet secretions. And it doesn't end there. Ant colonies are not static, they're alive. Workers constantly remodel and expand, adapting to changes in weather, predators, or resources. When floods threaten, some species form living rafts, linking their bodies together to keep the colony afloat. When food is scarce, scouts venture far from home, risking everything to find the next meal. What's most astonishing is the unity. Millions of individuals, yet one shared purpose. To us, they may seem small, even insignificant, but together they create civilizations that rival our own in scale, complexity, and resilience. So next time you see a line of ants marching across the ground, remember, you're not looking at a random trail of insects. You're witnessing the surface of a hidden city. A supercity built beneath your feet, alive with purpose, driven by instinct, and thriving against the odds. Ant colonies, tiny creatures, extraordinary architects, and proof that greatness is not measured in size, but in unity.